Thank you so much for joining us at another exciting episode of Mazda Maintenance 101. Today we're going to show you how to change your own wiper blades. Really easy to change your wiper blades. Usually there's a tab right here and you would just pop that tab up and then slide this out. In this case you've got a tab down here. All you do is pull that tab out, push down, it slides off that hook, and you see you've got a J hook right here. And so you can set them down gently, get your next one, and then you just follow the path. You can see that on here there's a little J where that hook goes. So then you just feed that in like that, click it on like that, and that tab holds, and you're good. So as far as normal maintenance goes and things you should check at the gas station, that's about it. Thanks again for joining us at Mazda Maintenance 101. Until next week.